volcano eruption. Let's start! So, to make the volcano base, you need a plastic bottle, old newspaper, an illustration board, poster or acrylic paint. The colors have to be black, brown, and red. Some masking tape, and some glue. Reminder, you need at least half a day for the glue to dry up. Once the glue is finally dry, you can now start painting your paper mache volcano. Here are some examples of me doing it. Once you are done painting the volcano paper mache, what you're going to do is going to wait for a little bit or for at least 5 hours or so. And now, once you're done waiting for it to dry up, it's finally time to do the experiment. Here are the materials: some vinegar, baking soda, dishwashing soap, some red food coloring, and of course, your volcano base. Now, this is what the experiment's result should look like. As you can see, the lava or red food coloring actually dripped down because of the chemical reaction. Note, you can actually put more vinegar so the experiment can work more. Big idea! The reason why the volcano erupted is because of the chemical reaction. The reason of that chemical reaction is that the baking soda is a base and the vinegar is an acid. Welcome to the end. I hope you enjoyed. For more videos like this, you can subscribe. It can help me a lot.